What's up guys? So today we're going to be trying to start the 350Z. The guys we bought it from said that the engine possibly did not work because they tried hooking it up to some jumper cables and it just clicked. We're thinking maybe it's just a battery or a coil pack or something. So battery is completely dead. We're going to try to buy a new battery, put that in, and see if we can get this thing turned over. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so like I was saying before, the guys we bought the 350Z from were saying that it needed a new engine, and the reason they thought that was just because when they put jumper cables on it and tried to start it over, it was just clicking. So we just bought a new battery and we're going to see what it sounds like when we try to start it up now. Hopefully it starts up, and we just got a really good deal on the 350Z. So we got a new battery. Now time to see if she starts. So we tried to start up the car, it just kept turning over, so we're going to try changing the spark plugs, and I'm going to smell the spark plugs to see if fuel's getting into the engine. We put some new gas in it because it was pretty much empty. Sounds like we could hear the fuel pump starting, so hopefully there's fuel on there, and we'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so while I was changing the spark plugs, I found this coil pack that is not the right coil pack for this car, and it also wasn't bolted in at all, so that could be part of the cause of our problems not starting. So I ended up going to Napa and I got me another coil pack, and I'm gonna throw that on and some new battery terminals, and we'll see what happens. So while I'm working on changing the spark plugs and trying to get this thing to run, Brandy's cleaning out all this junk. Got some deodorant so we smell better. Got a lot of little toys. Got me some Gorilla Snot Gel. Get that hair on fleek. Some Fix-A-Tire. I don't think it's gonna work too well on our tires. Nastiest thing is we got some little maggots in here, so we're definitely gonna have to give this thing a deep clean. It's pretty gnarly, all this junk. So we're gonna let Brandy go ahead and clean this out, and then we'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We did end up getting the car started. I'll go ahead and show you that. Does not sound too good. There is a pretty good rod knot going on, and it doesn't stay running longer than a few minutes. So we're definitely gonna have to pull the engine and rebuild it, or possibly get a new engine. We'll see once we start tearing it apart what's going on inside. Plans are to do some forged internals on it, so that'll be a couple $1,000, but with how much we have inside the car so far, that won't be too bad. Until then, we're just going to keep cleaning it out and trying to get it looking nice on the inside at least. So if you guys want to keep up with the progress, subscribe to the channel and we'll keep updating you guys. Try to do weekly updates on both cars. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.